Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we break down real wealth principles that actually work. Today, I'm revealing 3 powerful rules rich people live by, rules that have helped them build and protect generational wealth. If you're serious about changing your financial story, then this video is for you. Main content, 3 rules. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Rich people don't save what's left after spending, they spend what's left after saving. They automatically invest 10 to 30% of their income before they touch a single expense. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Rule number 2, make money work for you. The rich don't chase money, they build assets that make money for them. This includes real estate, stocks, businesses and royalties. They create cash flow streams so that they're not tied to a paycheck forever. Rule number 3, think long term and leverage smartly. Wealthy people play the long game. They delay gratification, take calculated risks, and leverage systems and people to multiply their results. They use other people's time, money, and skills to scale their wealth faster. Want to dive deeper into the mindset that makes all this possible? Then you must watch the video on Chapter 2 of my book, How to Make Money. It's all about cultivating a wealth mindset. Because until your mindset changes, your income won't. Call to action, lively and direct. If you got value from this video, do me a quick favor, like this video, share it with someone who needs this truth. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss another wealth-building insight, and don't forget to click the link in the description to watch Chapter 2 of How to Make Money. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth is built daily, not in a day. See you in the next video.